Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to add something or a product to your wish list on Temu. And if you want to save your favorite products for later, here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you add any products to your wish list so you can find it easily when you're ready to buy it. Firstly, launch the Temu app on your Android device and make sure you're signed into your account. You can do it on iPhone too. Browse to Temu and tap on the product you want to save. Now, tap the heart icon located next to the product, and if the product has multiple variants like color, size or design, select the variant you prefer first. Now after selecting the variant, you need to confirm it. Tap on Add to Wishlist. And that's it. You've successfully added your favorite item to your Temu wishlist. You can now view it anytime by going to your profile and opening the wishlist section. You can easily keep track of deals or plan your next shopping spree. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.